Your viewers, welcome to Bismarck Digital Satellite. Today I'm here to teach how to connect your Wi-Fi stick to your decoder. Yeah, a lot of people are having facing difficult for connecting their Wi-Fi stick to their decoder. But is any of us know how the Wi-Fi stick is? Today I'm teaching. I will show you how the Wi-Fi stick is. Yo, this is my Wi-Fi stick. This is it. So I'll quickly insert it into the decoder. Please make sure you insert where we insert the pen drive. So I will insert it. Have you seen that it has been shown on the screen? So quickly I'll press menu on my remote control. After pressing menu, I'll look for system setting. This is the system setting. Then I'll press OK. Then search for antenna setting. Sorry, network setting. Then I'll press OK. Have you seen? Here, let me teach you something. When the Wi-Fi stick is not placed well, have you seen? When the Wi-Fi stick is not placed well, the device will be on none. So when you insert the Wi-Fi stick, have you seen? It will show like this. So after it has been shown like this, have you seen some green button there indicating scan? So I'll press on my green button. Yeah, I'm using my Techno mobile phone as internet, the hotspot. So I'll press OK. Yeah, this is my password. I've input my password. This is the password. So you input your password. So after you input your password, then you press OK. Then you come here save. Then you save your password. Okay. Obviously, net has been connected. So after I connected yeah, then you go back. Yo, status connected. Yo guys, this is Bismarck Light. Do well to subscribe my YouTube channel. There's a lot of more coming to your way. This is today. Bye bye.